So here are the screen. After I replace the polarizer, and here are the old polarizer. You can see how damaged it looks. The old polarizer. This how it was before. Now I replace it. From inside the screen. So you have to open the screen inside. I replaced it. You can see how new it looks. Perfectly okay. Now it's time for us to test it. Alright, now wait, let me plug the wire. It's time for us to test it. Okay, and here are the wire. So let me plug it. Okay. You can see perfect okay. And this is how it was looking before. Perfect okay. You can see all system is working. Here the radio and switch off. Here the increment. What is increment is basic control. So everything is perfectly working okay. I opened the screen inside. You can see I also upload. You can also see the picture, and see the video and see the process how I did it. So now it's to copy because everything is working fine. Everything is working fine. Everything. Entertainment. Let it scan.